So right now at 2,349 kilometers, I'm going to fill up my gas tank for the first time since 3 months ago. Yeah, that's how long I take before I refuel. Actually, as you can go on, but the thing is that I keep getting notification from the iDrive. There's a triangle there. It keep popping out error message. It's quite irritating, but other than that, not much an issue. So I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to recharge my fuel to full. I'm going to catalog the entire range I'm going to get for the town driving. So I believe it will be about 3 to 4 months before my next refuel. So now my fuel tank is totally full. I'm going to reset the counter to 0. So now it's 0, and today is the 27th of January. So let's record it together. As you can see, the time is 2:20 PM. So we're going to clock it, and I'm going to post a video regarding next update on the following refueling.
Well, if you follow my video, I got this bumper scratch I think couple days during the Chinese New Year. So I'm going to get it fixed. And also the accident that happened to me a couple days ago, in fact about 2 weeks ago. So I'm going to get that fixed as well.
哎呦，做咩咁樣嘅？
To be fair, this is a minor accident. You barely notice it, but if you stare very closely, you can see a more tiny ding. Can you see it? Can you see it? This one. However, after the professional inspection, they found that the bumper has wobble. That's why they have to respray and touch up the entire bumper.
Sending my wife's car for a touch-up from the bumper. You can see it was a scratch. That time my wife accidentally hit my V, the side door. So they were scratching down here, and probably get this headlight repainted, so to give it a fresh look. Now it's kind of faded. Yeah, here not much. Some scratches on the silver bumper side also.
So this is after the repair. The paint has been restored. All the scratches are gone. Even the headlamp has been recoated, a clear coat, and also they polish it before they do that. Otherwise it won't last. As for my car, bumper is back to normal, and also the bottom side as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.